Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechEmpty. Today, we have got an exciting tutorial for you. As you know, the existing Paint app on Windows 11 doesn't support dark mode yet. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the new Paint app with dark mode on your Windows 11 computer. So, let's dive right in. First, open any browser on your computer and visit the Microsoft Store at apps.microsoft.com. This is where we'll be searching for the Paint app. Once you are on the Microsoft Store website, search for the Paint app using the search bar. When you find it, copy the app's URL from the address bar. Now, head over to store.org.adgod.net and paste the copied URL into the provided field. If you see any ads on the page, feel free to close them. After pasting the URL, select Fast from the drop-down menu and click on the tick icon to fetch the necessary files to the Paint app. From the fetched files, look for the Microsoft Paint 11.2304.17 neutral version. Right-click on the link and choose Save Link As to download the file. Save it to your desktop for easy access. You might encounter a security prompt asking you to discard the file from downloading. Don't worry, just choose Keep because the file is secure. Finally, locate the downloaded MSX bundle file on your desktop, open it, and choose Update. This will install the new Paint app with dark mode on your Windows 11 machine. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the new Paint app with dark mode on your Windows 11 computer. Now, you can enjoy working on your digital art projects or simply editing tasks with a sleek and eye-friendly interface. If you found this video useful, please consider buying me a coffee by clicking on the super thanks button below the video. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more helpful content for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy painting.